हटी जा, ए हटी जा, ए हटी जा, दाऊ पाँच चलो.
Hi there, welcome to my channel. I am Nishtha Kapoor from www.thefoodiesoul.nl and today we'll be making a very wholesome, creamy, healthy and most importantly super tasty vegetable curry. This recipe practically became my best friend in my weight loss journey, and that is because of four major reasons. A, it is non-fried. B, it is super simple to make. So even as a beginner, you can easily make it and make it well. Third, this recipe is loaded with veggies, which makes it so healthy and nutritious. So you can add in any vegetables as you want. Cauliflower, potatoes, beans, carrots, okra, just about anything goes into this recipe. And the last one, it is such a refreshing change from the normal प्याज टमाटर की curry that we have. And अब तो ऐसा हो गया है that I make this recipe every other week because of how simple, healthy and yummy it is. Sounds tempting, right? So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
So we'll start with chopping and dicing the vegetables for the curry. So here I've taken 4 medium-sized potatoes and a medium-sized cauliflower. Now I've also taken some other veggies like French beans, bell peppers and carrots. Now cut them into small pieces. And now let's move on to our besan and curd mixture. So I've taken 4 tablespoons of gram flour with some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, along with a pinch of hing and 2 teaspoons of freshly prepared ginger garlic paste. Now to this I'm adding some salt and our Greek yogurt. So I've taken here 4 to 5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Yogurt use करने से कड़ी एकदम creamy and smooth बनेगी. Use a mixer to mix all the things together and make sure that you don't form any lumps in the bowl. Start adding water to the bowl in the mixture. In total, I have used 4 glasses of water. The consistency should look something like this. Now in a large pan or kadhai, add some oil, and when the oil is hot, add some cumin seeds and some methi seeds. We'll quickly add in some sliced onions. Here I've taken 2 sliced onions and saute them for 2 to 3 minutes until they become a bit soft. After that, add in your potatoes, cauliflowers and all the other veggies one by one and give it a nice mix. Now we have to cook the veggies on a high flame until they become a little bit soft. And after that, we'll add in our spices like haldi, red chili powder and some coriander powder. You can experiment with any other spice of your choice, but I like to keep it simple as we're gonna add a nice tadka at the end anyway. Now, time to pour in the besan dahi mixture. A quick stir and there you go. So colorful and tempting. Now on a high flame, cook the curry until it starts to boil. And within a few minutes, you'll see that the curry has started to thicken and changed its color. At this stage, cover half the lid and turn the flame to medium and let the curry cook for about 20 to 25 minutes nicely until the rawness of besan has gone and all the vegetables are cooked properly. I generally cook the curry for a good 40 minutes because that's what makes it even more delicious. In the end, we'll adjust the salt, and to enhance the tanginess of the curry, we'll add some dried mango powder, or also known as amchur powder. A quick mix, and I'll let this cook for about 5 more minutes, and then we'll have our creamy yogurt curry ready in front of us. And just before you serve it, we'll add in a quick tadka. So to a pan, add some ghee, let it melt. Now put about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them crackle and add 8 to 10 curry leaves, some dried red chilies, some green chilies, a pinch of hing, some coriander seeds, and in the end, Kashmiri red chili powder for a nice bright red color. This tadka is heavenly. It's so aromatic and makes the curry even more tempting. है ना एकदम tempting और yummy? Want a bite?
So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep bringing you more such amazing and yummy recipe ideas. And if you have any questions for me, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can DM me on Instagram or comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. So that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed.